How to use a clip-on stove to make your photos look more natural and beautiful. In this video, I will show you how to use a clip-on stove to make your photos look more natural and beautiful when shooting with the backlight of a large window. First, have the subject stand in front of a large window with white curtains. The light is diffused by the white curtain, so the light is very soft. I will take a picture with the backlight from this large window. The subject is slightly underexposed, but the light is soft and very beautiful. It just feels like the color is a little muddy. To brighten the subject, I put a large white reflector in front of it. The subject becomes brighter, giving it a nice fluffy atmosphere. The subject also looks attractive. This is good enough, but I would like to add one more accent. I would like to create an atmosphere with direct sunlight coming in through the window and hitting the hair. Set the clip-on stove off camera, attach it to a stand, and shine it directly at the subject hair from the backlit, giving it a semi-backlit effect. The light from the clip-on stove looks like sunlight and hit the hair with a light, making it look more natural and beautiful. Just adding a hair light creates an accent light that brings out the feel. However, the light is a little hard, so next time I will soften the light by bouncing it off the back left wall. The hair light has become a little softer and now looks more natural than before. Also, stove light produces clearer colors without mudding, so people look even more beautiful. All you have to do is take a photo of the variation. It looks beautiful with just a natural light from the large window, but by adding accent, you can bring out the subject even more. Interesting, isn't it? Give it a try, everyone.